Hello, I am Stephen Wilson and I am graduating from Greenfield High School, earning my youth apprenticeship certificate and completing the GPS Ed program this June. Some of the skills I have gained through this program are air arcing and grinding. An important lesson about the working world I learned is how important being on time is. Before joining the GPS Ed program, I knew being on time was important. After becoming a student apprentice, being early every day was a major goal of mine because one of my mentors said, "You can't learn the skills we'll teach you if you aren't here." Some of the major things I learned through the GPS Ed program that I wouldn't have learned at a traditional school are how to budget for a car or housing with the amount of money I am making. Another skill to help me get ready for the real world is how to perform well during an interview, as well as how to create a resume for an interview. I believe joining the GPS Ed program was a good investment in myself because the GPS Ed program has given me more opportunities to grow and new pathways for success. In the next few months, I plan on being hired by Komatsu as a welder and eventually becoming an engineer. I would like to thank my family and friends, and I would like to thank Rocio, Pierre, and my mentors, Mike and Armando, for helping me through my final year of high school, specifically guiding me through the first steps of adulthood. My last piece of advice to future GPS students is to work hard, try and get as much classwork done as possible, and to gain more work hours and to get plenty of sleep.